Good morning, everyone. Welcome to LogiMAT LogiFOOD Southeast Asia 2025. And I would like to say hello from Bangkok, Thailand, right here at BITEC, Bang Na. And of course, we would like to say hello to the viewer who watching the live streaming from our Facebook fan page LogiMAT Southeast Asia. You are stay with me. I'm Cha and I will be your MC for today. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first day of LogiMAT and LogiFood Southeast Asia 2025. We are thrilled to have you all here at BITEC, Bangkok, Thailand at hall number 11 and number 100, where over the next 3 days from today, the first day, until the 17th of October 2025, you will explore the latest innovations and solutions in logistics, supply chain, and cold chain solutions. And this event, ladies and gentlemen, we have the lots of activities you can enjoy with the exciting activities, networking opportunities, and insightful sessions that will help you stay ahead in this rapidly evolving industry. As you enter the hall inside, you will experience an impressive display of both local and international exhibitors showcasing cutting-edge technologies that will shape the future of logistics. And of course, wherever you looking for hardware, software, solutions, or customized logistics services, you will find it all here at LogiMAT and LogiFood Southeast Asia 2025. And for this year, we come under the theme and concept Passion for Solution. You will meet more than 250 booths inside and connect with over 7,000 high potential buyers and attend more than 20 insightful sessions. And for this event, we organized by the Message Stuttgart, Message Thailand, the organizer of the famous Thai Fake Underground Asia and the Thai Intra-Logistics Association. And of course, in collaboration with many honorable industry supporters, including Thai Intra-Logistics Association, Thai Chamber of Commerce, Federation of Thai Industries, Department of Industrial Promotion or DPROM, Division of Logistics, Thai Automation and Robotics Association or TARA, and Thai Refrigeration Association, Warehouse Silo and Cold Storage Business Association, National Food Institute, and Institute for Small and Medium Enterprise Development as well. And we would like to say thank you very much to offer the Office of Small and Medium Enterprise Promotion, Business Development Services for SME, the Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau, Singapore Transport Association, Thai German Institute, and the Japan Institute of Material Handling, an EEC Automation Park, International Chamber of Commerce Thailand, and Industrial Estate Authority of Thailand. We would like to say thank you very much to all of the sponsors. But last but not least, thank you so much to Thai Subcontracting Promotion Association, the Logistics and Supply Chain Management Society, Prince of Songkhla University, and many more. Here's what you can look forward for today. And for today is the first day, kicking off the day. We have insightful keynote presentation and the panel discussion happening at the LogiMAT Symposium stage, followed by the opening ceremony at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. And this session will cover topic ranging from industry challenges to global trends impacting the logistics sector. So coming up for today at 11 a.m. and 4 p.m., don't miss the live product demonstration zone where innovation comes to life. And watch leading companies showcase their latest technology in warehouse automation, cold chain logistics, and more. And all in action, ladies and gentlemen, right here at the LogiMAT and LogiFood Southeast Asia 2025 at BITEC, Bang Na. And please, make sure to visit the International Pavilion featuring exhibitors from Australia, Switzerland, China, and beyond. They all bringing the global innovation straight to Bangkok right here at our event for today. You can enjoy and explore with the many activities right here at our event for today. It's the first day. And if you're looking for the growing for your business at work, please head over to the business matching area where you can meet about the potential partner and explore exciting collaboration opportunities. And at booth we have booth C21. There will also be experts from the Department of Industrial Promotion or DPROM, TIA, TARA, TRA, and ISMIT. Hosting the smart logistics clinic and mini classroom. We have the offering free consultation and training session to help you to optimize your logistic operations and boost efficiency throughout the days. And these insightful session are all completely free that happening right here at booth C21 from today until the 14th of October 2025. And we also have the experts from NFI. We also bring together knowledge and the strategy in halal logistics, food logistics, and cold chain management at Halal Showcase at NFI. So please don't miss to learn, connect, and be inspired only at the LogiMAT and LogiFOOD Southeast Asia 2025. And if you are at home right now and would like to visit our LogiMAT and LogiFOOD Southeast Asia 2025, you will not regret coming. For more details about this event, you can check it out at our website www.logimat-sea.com or look for LogiMAT Southeast Asia on Facebook right here. And now let's talk inside and let's see inside what we have to do for you for the happening. Let's go and see inside. And as I mentioned all of you earlier, today is the first day of the event of the LogiMAT and LogiFOOD Southeast Asia 2025. But for now, we just start and open the gate for all of the attendees for a 10-hour event right now at hall number 100. So let's see, for now we have a lot of participants come and enjoy right here at our event. So we'll take you to look and tour at our event, LogiMAT and LogiFOOD Southeast Asia 2025. Right now you're here with me, I'm Chasha and I'm your MC that will take you to tour and enjoy with our event for today. Let's see what we have for you. Right now we are in LogiMAT and LogiFOOD Southeast Asia 2025. And for now, our first stop today is over there. The Halal Showcase by NFI. Right here. And our first stop right here at the Halal Showcase by NFI. This is your chance to level up your halal business for the future with the exclusive sessions led by national experts who are bringing you the latest knowledge and the strategies in halal logistics, food logistics, and cold chain management. And there are 2 sessions every day at 10:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. So make sure that you can stop and grab a seat and join the conversation to our experts from NFI right here.